in the last quarterfinal of the Mnt8, and of course to hand over the check for the player of the match. That is Nonku Kubashiane. She is from MTN, a regional marketing manager for the northern region, and the player of the match is Ikram Raiders. Ikram, well played today. I'm sure delighted with your efforts out there. It's always nice to get the season off to a really good start and to get your name on the score sheet.
Yeah, I think for us we started the game well, and it was a good opportunity for us as a team to work together, to push ourselves, and I'm happy with the result.
You speak of the result. I mean, it's a tournament where Sundowns in the past has maybe started slowly. To start like that and to score the amount of goals you scored as a team today, and no doubt as a team you're very proud.
Yeah, I think it was all about team effort. The coach said to us at the beginning of the game, we need to kill the game. In the first half, we need to play with high intensity. I'm sure they will make mistakes, but I'm happy.
Well done today. Thank you. The player of the match, Ikram Raiders. You can go that way, Ikram. The player of the match, Ikram Raiders. They're happy with his efforts out there, getting onto the score sheets, and of course, Sundowns are really getting the job done in some style. And I'm sure Coach Miguel will be delighted. Coach, really good performance from the team. You got the goals you needed, and you were able to also bring in the youngsters, and it brought a nice energy to the stadium.
Yeah, obviously that it was important to start strong. We made 2 weeks preparation, so we knew that taking the game for the last stages, for the last minutes, or even for extra time would never be good for us. I think the team understood the message, started very strong, we scored, and after that, important to manage some situations that we had. So substitutions thinking a little bit about managing motivation, managing condition, managing so that we could keep the pace. Well, players, congratulations. I think it was an interesting game, even for people on the stands, on a cold night, a hot game, and well, let's prepare the future. Continue.
You speak of the fact that it's a cold night. Still, the fans came out in their numbers, and it was a nice atmosphere here in your first game.
Exactly. I think the people deserve a good game, a good spectacle. Football must also excite people. Both teams performed well, and congratulations for them to be here such cold night.
Well done to the coach.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, Coach Miguel Cardoso, they're delighted with the outcome. Of course, a beautiful day for the fans who were really in full cry out. Coach, tough one for you as a team. I mean, to concede goals like that early on, no doubt would have hit the spirit a little bit.
Yeah, I think today we must give credit to Sundowns, a superior team here out here today, and we must accept this result here. Lots of learning will come out of this game here, and we must accept this result and move on from here.
You speak of, accepting the get better with time.
Yeah, lots of young players, but also not an excuse. I felt that we gave away a few cheap goals out here today. We could have defended better. We could have managed the game a little better in terms of conceding opportunities that we presented to Sundowns today. But that not being an excuse, Sundowns was a superior team today. Let's give credit to them. Congratulations to Sundowns.
Coach, well done today. Hard luck today.
Thank you, sir.
Well, a bit of a